Hello everyone, nice to see you again. This is Fiona from ratchetshoes here. Today I'd like to show you authentic Air Jordan 1 retro Chicago shoes to you guys. First, you can check the shoes box. Here you can catch a big Nike logo on it. And also you can turn the side. Also you can catch Nike logo. And here you can catch Nike logo, also can catch the shoes information and with the size. Okay, open the box. Yeah, you can see a white paper in it. Okay, finally let's check the shoes. Yeah, what can catch your eyes? These two shoes with white color and red color. You can check the front. Yeah, here is with the red color, but here is with the white color, and also they have so many holes on it. And also you can see the shoes tag here, from here to here. Yes, with here you can catch Nike. Yeah, Nike. And turn to side. Yeah, you must take closer to here. Yes, you can catch a big Nike logo. And also you can see here. Okay, let's turn another side. Another side, you also can catch the logo and also can check here. Also take a closer to here. And here you can catch a fly wind. Yes, you can check here. There is have a dozen on it. And check inside. You can check inside, and also you can see. Check insole. Yeah, insole, and also you can check the tag here. And there is the back. You can check. Also, you can check the bottom. Yes, bottom all with the red color, but on the middle you can catch Nike logo. Yes, this pair is very hot. And you can check another one. Front, back, also bottom. Yeah, this pair is really hot now. If you're interested in, you can come to our website, do a research. We will give you wholesale price, free and faster shipping. Okay, any question, please contact me. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye bye.